Last year, the Vivo X200 Ultra really pushed boundaries with its powerful camera system and external telephoto lens, setting a new direction for flagship smartphones. Now, Vivo is back at it again with the Vivo X300 Ultra, introducing two brand new Vivo Zeiss telephoto lenses in its photography kit. You get the G2 with a 200mm equivalent focal length and the G2 Ultra stretching all the way to 400mm. Especially with the G2 Ultra, Vivo is taking telephoto performance to the next level. But beyond the zoom power, what else has improved on the X300 Ultra, and how well does it actually perform? A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's dive in, starting with the design. The unit I have here is the film green version, and it features a seamless splicing design on the back that gives a clear nod to classic camera aesthetics. The silver variant follows the same design language, while the black option keeps things minimal with a clean, timeless look. The camera module area is mostly unchanged, still showcasing those signature textures and edge detailing that create a strong vertical transition. Yes, the camera bump is still quite noticeable, and at 237 grams, the phone definitely feels solid in hand, but the weight distribution is nicely balanced. One notable change this time is the removal of the camera control buttons from the flat frame, which makes the phone feel smoother and more unified, while also reducing accidental touches. On the back, the Vivo X300 Ultra packs a triple large sensor camera setup, along with a 12-channel blueprint primary color camera. The telephoto lens offers a native 85mm focal length and uses the new HP0 sensor. It retains a large 1.4-inch sensor size with an impressive 200-megapixel resolution and even supports telephoto macro. The shots come out incredibly sharp and detailed. On top of that, it features SEPA 7.0 image stabilization, with about a 3-degree stabilization angle. When shooting horizontally, the vertical stabilization is especially strong, making the entire telephoto experience feel almost like using a gimbal. You handle the movement, and the phone takes care of keeping everything steady. The stabilization improvements really stand out when paired with the new teleconverters. Even when using the Vivo Zeiss G2 Ultra, which effectively pushes the focal length to 400mm, the phone can still lock onto subjects and track them reliably, while maintaining excellent image quality. It honestly brings to mind that classic line often used for telephoto lenses, fearless of distance. That phrase fits the Vivo X300 Ultra perfectly. Moving on to the ultra-wide camera, the 14mm lens continues to deliver excellent performance. It uses the same Leica 818 sensor as before, handling dramatic perspectives and high-contrast scenes with ease. Among current flagship devices, this ultra-wide setup still stands at the top. For portraits, the Vivo X300 Ultra introduces the Sony Leica 901 sensor on its 35mm lens. This is a large 1.12-inch sensor with 200 megapixels. And in our lab tests, the default resolution performance was seriously impressive. Real-world samples show outstanding dynamic range and detail, and if you switch to high-resolution mode, you can capture even finer textures. This kind of sensor could hint at where smartphone imaging is headed. Instead of relying heavily on the processor for digital zoom calculations, the sensor itself handles more of the data processing before passing it to the SoC, which improves both speed and efficiency. Portrait mode has also seen noticeable improvements. Thanks to the 12-channel blueprint original color camera and updated algorithms, even challenging backlit scenes retain a strong sense of depth and atmosphere. The results feel polished and premium without looking over-processed. This time around, Vivo has also introduced several new style presets. Personally, I'm a big fan of the richer preset that emphasizes strong contrast and vivid saturation. It has a unique character, almost like shooting on vintage reversal film. Alongside these presets, there's now a color palette feature that lets you fine-tune elements like saturation and contrast directly. If you want more control, the advanced mode lets you dial things in even further. And if you're still not satisfied, you can apply different preset styles later in the gallery. You can even create your own presets or import ones shared by others, which opens up a lot of creative possibilities. Finally, video capabilities have taken a big leap forward as well. The Vivo X300 Ultra now supports 4K at 120 FPS with Dolby Vision, along with 4K 120 FPS 10-bit log recording across all focal lengths, giving creators a lot more flexibility and professional-grade control. For creators, the Vivo X300 Ultra feels like much more than just a fun gadget now. The newly introduced Professional Recording Mode Pro brings a seriously advanced interface, complete with waveform monitoring and detailed shooting parameters. Whether you're checking settings or making adjustments, it genuinely feels like working with a dedicated professional camera again. I also tested log recording in a variety of situations, and honestly, the footage holds up really well in post-production. The lenses give you plenty of flexibility for color grading, and the overall image quality is impressive enough for serious creative work. Now, if log editing sounds a bit too technical, but you still want that cinematic vibe, Vivo has you covered. The X300 Ultra includes two built-in cinematic styles straight out of the camera. One is a retro-inspired 24 FPS film style that mimics classic film, complete with a 2.4:1 aspect ratio, while the other is a cleaner, more modern 4K 60 FPS film look. So whether you're someone who wants full control over every detail or just prefers a one-tap cinematic output, this phone delivers a complete camera experience. On the display side, the Vivo X300 Ultra features a large 6.82-inch 2K BOE panel with a dynamic refresh rate that scales from 1 Hz all the way up to 144 Hz. Looking at the actual performance in the default natural mode, manual brightness reaches 787 nits, while peak brightness goes up to 774 nits, and local peak brightness can hit an impressive 4,500 nits. Even under harsh midday sunlight, like what you'd experience in Shenzhen, the screen stays clear and easy to read. You also get 3 color modes to choose from: natural, professional, and vivid. In testing, both natural and professional modes showed excellent color accuracy, especially in detailed color reproduction. For eye comfort, Vivo has included polarized light 2.0 technology along with 2160 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming at full brightness, and there's also an option for DC dimming. If you enable DC dimming, the refresh rate caps at 120 Hz, so it's really up to your preference. Vivo gives you plenty of flexibility to fine-tune the display experience. When it comes to performance, the Vivo X300 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and it handles demanding tasks with ease. In gaming tests, Honor of Kings ran at nearly a full 144 FPS on average, with power consumption around 4.15 watts and relatively low heat. For PUBG Mobile and Genshin Impact, the phone also maintained close to full frame rates, keeping power usage under 4.5 watts and temperatures just above 40 degrees Celsius. During more intense moments, there are occasional frame drops, especially during transitions, but the average frame rate still stays above 59 FPS. That said, at around 6.4 watts under heavier loads, there's still some room to improve thermal efficiency. Battery life is another strong point here. The X300 Ultra packs a massive 6600 mAh Blue Ocean battery. In a 5-hour lab test, it still had 47% left, and even after pushing it to complete depletion under heavy use, it managed to last an additional 2 hours. In real-world use, this easily translates to a full day of heavy usage without stress. Overall, the Vivo X300 Ultra feels closer than ever to a true DSLR experience. As Vivo's flagship camera device for 2026, it combines powerful hardware with flexible creative tools, letting you capture stunning shots just by tweaking presets and color profiles. For professionals, the addition of a 400mm optical zoom option and full focal length 4K 120 FPS 10-bit log recording turns it into a highly capable portable production tool. At the end of the day, whether you call it a smartphone or a DSLR doesn't really matter anymore. What matters is that capturing high-quality content is now easier and more accessible than ever. As for pricing, the base variant of the Vivo X300 Ultra Photography Kit Edition starts at 12,999 yuan in China, which is roughly 1,430 pounds in the UK and about $1,892 in the US. In recent years, Vivo's flagship cameras haven't just focused on improving image quality, they've also pushed innovations like external lenses and advanced video features. With this ongoing evolution, it's exciting to think about what Vivo might bring next. That's it for this review of the Vivo X300 Ultra. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.